Protecting your Jeep or truck is important, both on and off the road. And when you're driving through the mountains, you never know what you're going to face. That's why Rancho has made the RockGEAR line, to protect your ride and look cool while doing it. The RockGEAR line by Rancho has many parts. We have them installed on this Jeep JT Gladiator, but Rancho has RockGEAR products for other vehicles as well. For an added level of protection, they have the front and rear differential glide plates. These glide plates are made to protect your differential casting from direct contact with any obstacles that get in your way. They allow for a smoother glide over debris, rock, or anything else that might have fallen on the trail or road. A great thing about these glide plates is that they work going both forward and backwards, and they work with OE and most aftermarket differential covers. They are made from a 1/4 inch high-strength, low-alloy steel for added strength and protection. And just like the RockGEAR differential covers, they are coated in a red powder-coated finish for that same smooth look. All of the Rancho RockGEAR products have a 1-year limited warranty. And if you are looking to purchase any of the Rancho RockGEAR products mentioned today or wanting to have them installed, check out our dealer locator below. And as always, thanks for watching in the garage. We'll see you next time.